My name's Elton. I live out up in Motueka Valley on an off-grid property, and just thought the shed, it started with nothing, so slowly building it up and getting to the point where we can do some stuff in the workshop. Mainly for me it's projects stuff here, like we've got to fix coal ranges, mount solar panels, fix cars, all that stuff, sort of hobby stuff mainly, and the odd job for friends and neighbours. As far as generators go, I did look at old big diesel generators like 20, 25 kVA, even, maybe 30. Actually, at the end of the day, I wanted something portable, and I'm not going to be using it, for more than a couple of hours a day. So it's just sort of like little jobs, stop, start. So wanted something cheap, petrol, and be able to run a welder. In the next few weeks, we're going to set up a 10 kVA solar system, and that'll run pretty much everything most of the time. But what I wanted was a backup inverter generator that I can hook up to it, and it's just going to help it along. And it's got a remote, and so that can be outside, and just press the button and it goes. I like the generator. It's the fact that it just works with the welder. You buy the two things together, and it just takes the guesswork out of it. It's going to work, and it just starts. It's easy, and it's movable. Like, I can wheel it around. I can put it on the trailer and take it to a mate's place. It's not some random brand that nobody's ever heard of. I can go to the people I bought it off and get spare parts or get it serviced. It's pretty easy. It pretty much covers all bases. Like, I can do body work, and I can do slightly heavier stuff. Like, most of the stuff I do is going to be like 4 to 6 mil, which is perfect. 250 amps. Whether I'll go up to or not, I don't know. It's just going to be a nice, solid, reliable machine. Like, we've got the same brand at work, 3-phase, and it's a killer. Like, it gets abused every day, and it's still sweet as. As for use, I weld for a job, but I'm not what you'd consider a professional welder. This one, turn it down, and it tells you 4 mil thick, 165 amps, I think, for that. That's all you have to do. One knob, up and down. Like, you can get into it and play with the different settings, but if you just want to keep it basic, that's all you have to do. It's brilliant. I'm running 0.9, just standard hardwire, and Argo Shield. It's beautiful. Got a bit of rust work to do on a friend's car, so do it with that. I've got coal ranges to rebuild. Not that they'll need a lot of welding, but they will need a little bit. Not in the cast iron, it's in the steel plate. Solar power mounts. Lots of jobs. Actually, I want to modify a shipping container into like a mobile workshop for actually up here, but do it anyway. Oh no, I have used another mate that isn't a Strata in the last 5 years, and that's pretty good, but these are just easier for day-to-day use. If you're basic welder like I am, you can just walk up to it, turn it on, turn up the heat, whatever you want to do, and it automatically changes the wire spacing, and you're set to go. And you can teach other people that have never welded before quite easily. Personally, I own 2 Strata welders. I've got a little stick welder that I've had for years, and that's done a lot of work. Obviously this is new, so I haven't done that much with it, but it's just so easy to use. And I know it's reliable, and it's a good brand. You see them in workshops. It's not going to break, but if it does, I can get parts. It's from a local company. You just buy it and use it, and it works. Does everything you need to do at home.